Hello friends, so here is another hiring opportunity of Amdocs company for the role system analyst. So here is the important information. So whether you have to travel or not for this role, yes, you have to travel for this role, but it is so minimal. Then you can see they also mention what will your job look like, and then the important information is qualification. So you must have a university degree in computer science or information system for eligible for this role, or otherwise if you have equivalent engineering degree you are also eligible for this role. Then you must have the basic programming and scripting skills, or you must have the basic programming skills or scripting skills. Then you must have basic SQL knowledge and good Unix knowledge for eligible for this role. Then at the last, familiarity with Amdocs ordering or Amdocs billing software is an added advantage for this role for you. Then you can look the extra credit for this role, and then they mention also the job description for this role. So whether you are a fresher or not, you are experienced or not, you must have a 2+ experience on Java for eligible on this role. Then you must have the high SQL knowledge and high Excel capabilities for this role, and then prior implementation experience is an added advantage for this role. Then you can look why you will love this job and some message about the company. Then click on this button, apply now. Sometimes it will take time. Then after clicking on this button, it will redirect you to this page. Wait for a second. I think the connection problem. It is the connection problem. So wait for a second. So here is a section. So upload your resume here from the device. Then put your email address. Retype your email address. Then choose a password for this role. So the password rules are as follows. So your password must be at least 8 characters long. Then your password must be not longer than 18 characters. Then your password must contain at least one uppercase, means capital letters, and at least one lowercase, means small letters. And then your password must contain at least one number like 0, 1, 2, etc. Then or punctuation character like special character like has, star, and like this. So let me create a password for this role. Retype your password. Then put your personal details. Then if you have a PAN card, then put your PAN card number here. Then put your mobile number here. Then total work experience. If you are a fresher, so this will be 0 years. Then number of days required to join, let me put 10 or 15 days, put 10 days. Then expected yearly compensation from Amdocs, let me put 3 LPA. Then after this acknowledgement, click on this I understand. So electronic signature, so put your full name here. Then are you currently or have you previously applied for a job with the Amdocs group? No. Then are you currently or have you previously been employed by Amdocs group? It is also no. Then do you have any relatives working in the groups? No. This is also not applicable. Then I confirm that the first name, middle name and the last name is entered as per the Aadhaar card. Click on the checkbox. Then some questions here. Do you have advanced Java experience? If you have advanced Java experience, click yes, otherwise no. Total years of experience. Then how many years of experience in Java J2E? So it will be 0. Then country, region or residence. So find your country here, India. After this, click on this checkbox and then confirm you are a not robot. After this, the main important section is read and accept the data privacy statement. Click on this line and then read and accept the data privacy, and then click on this button, apply. So here my attachment is not supported, but your resume is supporting document, then the application will surely accepted your resume. So it is the whole application process. I will attach the link in the description. So if you are new to this to my channel, then please subscribe, and if you like this channel, then please like and share. Thank you.